Hey everyone, welcome back to Nor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy repair for your iPhone 10. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is not working. Let's get started. Disassembling the phone. Removing the motherboard. Place it to a layered heating system to disassemble the layered motherboard. Removing soft protectors. After disassembly, check the chip connections.
Yeah, line missing. So there are 3 pin for Wi-Fi. Hopefully just we need to jumpering there, it will work, I think so.
Found a line connection is missing. Now we will do cable jumpering between these 2 points.
So finally we need to check.
Our jumpering is done. Checking the connectors using a multimeter.
Yeah, it's work. And also this pin is very important. Yeah, it's okay. Perfect.
Now place the motherboard to a layered heating system to assemble the layered motherboard. Now assembling the phone. Turning on the phone. And that's it. We've successfully resolved the iPhone X Wi-Fi problem. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Nor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.